So today I am going to tell you which book we should refer to our CET exam, MHCET. So for this, you can also refer to this book. It is the 5 years LLB integrated program, Maharashtra CET. So you can take any year's book, same portion is there. So in this the index is given, means we are for CET we are having legal aptitude and legal reasoning, then general GK, current affairs, logical reasoning, then English language, then maths, mathematics. So the legal aptitude and legal reasoning is for 40 marks, then legal knowledge and current affairs is for 30, then legal reasoning is for 40, English language is for 30 marks, and mathematics is for 10 marks. Means total CET exam is of 150 marks and negative marking is not there. So I am going to read the index. So for the legal aptitude, then Indian Constitution is given in this book. Then the English including comprehension means spotting the errors, comprehension, then synonyms. Then in mathematics, then number series, simplification, equations, percentage. Then in logical reasoning, analogy, odd one out, coding and decoding, means blood relations and direction sense test. Then in general knowledge. In general knowledge there is history, geography, Indian economy, general science. And in this book also the 2 solved papers are given. This book will help you a lot as it contains in the legal aptitude, law, its nature and classification, then criminal law, contract law, tort, legal terms, legal maxims, then legal GK, important treaties and conventions, important Indian acts. Means this book is important for your CET exam also, and it will also clear your basic knowledge. Your foundation will be cleared of the LLB. Then about the Indian Constitution, then the features, then when it was formed, preamble, citizenship, fundamental rights, directive principles and state policy, emergency and special provision, Indian Parliament, President and Vice President of India, Prime Minister, distribution of power between the center and state, Supreme Court of India, Constitution and non-constitutional bodies of India, Indian federalization and central relations. So these all topics are explained in detail in this book, 5 years LLB integrated program, Maharashtra CET. So it is very helpful to you for your LLB exam, for your CET exam and also for your LLB exam. In this legal maxims, legal terms are also there, which we are going to study in our 5th semester. Then English comprehension is also given here, means idioms and phrases, then sentence improvement. In maths, the basic maths we are having here. Then in logical reasoning, blood relations, direction sense, means a person is at the north side and he has gone to the right side. Such questions are asked, means which side he will face. Then series, syllogism, which we are going to study in 1st semester. So here basic we are going to study. Then statement and conclusion, statement and assumption, which we have already studied in 1st semester. Means we are going to study in 1st semester. Then cause and factual situations and general GK. So everything is covered in this book. You can refer to this book of CET. Thank you.